Moments are required. How to get them? Where to get them? How to train them? Because jihad cannot be done without a group, a party of dedicated people and organized people. The depth of commitment, the depth of dedication, then their discipline. These three things, if they are not fulfilled, they can't go to jihad, they can't make jihad. They may make fasad, which most of the people are doing today. In the name of jihad, doing fasad. What is happening in Afghanistan today? The name of jihad, to it, a dishonor and disrepute has been brought. Jihad fi sabilillah. This is jihad fi sabilillah going on.